Introducing the motorized fork lifter. Designed to lift, tilt and transport heavy loads effortlessly. Why choose our motorized fork lifter? With a powerful 200 kilogram lifting capacity, say goodbye to manual lifting. Smooth trolley wheels let you move freely and easily within your factory. With motorized push-button operation, stop and adjust movement seamlessly. Perfect for lifting and transferring rice, dal, batter or other food materials in high production kitchens. Saves time, labor and physical effort, making the production line faster and more efficient. The collection vessel can tilt up to 180 degrees, allowing for precise pouring of ingredients without spills or wastage. Ensures complete emptying of the vessel, eliminating the need for manual scooping or scraping. Unlike noisy hydraulic lifters, the motor and gearbox system is designed for low-noise operation, ensuring a peaceful working environment, ideal for indoor use without causing disturbances. Upgrade to efficiency, safety and convenience with the motorized fork lifter.